In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on Deriv using your mobile phone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Deriv app or the website. If you are using an Android, go to the Google Play Store and type in Deriv app and install the latest version so you can unlock all the tools and features. Now, all I have to do is log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Deriv, you can register for free absolutely at no cost. Before trading, you need to fund your account. Tap on the cashier or the deposit option. Now you need to choose your preferred payment method such as crypto, USD, P2P, or a payment agent depending on your preferences. For example, we are using a USD. Now, all I have to do is choose your preferred method, say for example, credit and debit card. Enter the amount that you want to deposit and complete the payment process by clicking the deposit now. Now, after funding, you can choose the type of trade you want to place. You can use a real account, or what we highly suggest is use a demo account, because a demo account, you can use it to practice while not risking a real money. All I have to do is click the trade option and you'll be forwarded here. You can use a MetaTrader 5 app or the MetaTrader web terminal. It's up to you. Now, once you have access to the trading view itself, you see that some common trade types include the higher or lower, even or odd, and multipliers. For this example, we're going to go here and let's say I am going to use a higher or lower trading. Enter your stake amount. For example, let's say I'm going to put something like around 69. This is the amount you are willing to risk per trade. If you are a beginner, it's highly recommended to start with a small amount while learning the platform. Now, make your prediction. If you believe the price will go up, click the sell button. If you think the price will go down, tap the buy button. Once you do that, accept the terms and conditions, and there you have it. Basically, that's how you can trade on Deriv using your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.